ChatGPT, Copilot, Salesforce. Right now, these are the tools running businesses everywhere. And in the JAIN Online MBA, they are a part of how you learn. More than 50 AI tools are built into the curriculum, and today I'm walking you through the 7 you will use the most. ChatGPT, you already know it can write. The skill is using it to think. Say your boss wants the market size for electric scooter in India by Friday. You ask ChatGPT to lay out the structure, and it walks through who buys them and how many sells each year and at what price. You get a working draft in 2 minutes. Big firms already run on this. Morgan Stanley built a private assistant using OpenAI's model, the same technology behind ChatGPT. Now its advisors search the firm's entire research library by just asking a question. What you learn in the MBA is the part that matters. You figure out what to ask, how to catch the answer when it's wrong, and what's good enough to send to a client. The tool writes fast, but you make the call. Next, Microsoft Copilot. This is AI built straight into Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams, the app you will live in as a manager. Say you have a sheet with 12 months of sales. You type one line, show me the 3 products losing money, and Copilot builds the chart and writes the summary. Then you ask it to turn that into a deck. It does that in seconds. The skill you bring is cutting it down to the few slides that matter and telling the story behind the numbers. Microsoft has already rolled this out to millions of office workers. Vodafone alone put Copilot in the hands of 68,000 of its staff. Then there's Notion AI. Notion is where a lot of teams keep everything from project plans to meeting notes, to-do lists. The AI works across all of it. You just finished an hour team call. You paste the messy notes in and ask for the action items. It pulls out who has to do what and by when. Teams at OpenAI, Figma, and Toyota run their work in Notion. The fintech ramp moved its work into Notion and cut its software costs by 70%. You use it as a project manager would. The tool sorts the information, and the skill is what you do with it. You set the priorities, and you decide who owns each task. The 4th tool is Bloomberg AI. The Bloomberg terminal is where the finance world tracks markets, and its AI now reads the paperwork for you. Say a company just reported earnings and you need the takeaway before the market opens. You ask, and Bloomberg AI pulls the summary from the earnings call, the filings, and the news in one place. It walks through what changed, what management said, and how the numbers stack up against last year. Bloomberg built its own finance model, Bloomberg GPT, trained on decades of market data. It rolled AI summaries out to the analysts, traders, and fund managers who live on the terminal. The skills you build is knowing which number moves what decision. The AI reads the report in seconds, and you will judge what it means for the trade. Next up, Salesforce Einstein. Salesforce is the most widely used CRM in the world. Einstein is the AI inside it. A salesperson has 200 leads and the time to call 20. Einstein rates all the 200 calls and tells them which 20 are most likely to buy, and it also predicts which deal will close and which customer are about to leave. US banks used Einstein to spot its best lead and to turn more than twice as many of them into customers. Reading what it tells you and acting on it is the skill. Like which lead to call first and which deal needs help, the model ranks the list and you decide where the team spends its day. Now HubSpot AI. HubSpot runs marketing for thousands of companies, handling their emails, content, and campaigns. Say you are sending a promotional offer to 10,000 people. HubSpot tells you which subject line gets opened and the best time to hit send. And it even writes the first draft of the email. HubSpot's AI handles your website copy too. Crunch Fitness use it to write their landing page copy that answers the questions members ask most. The strategy is the skill, and it stays with you. You design the campaign, and the AI runs it at scale. You decide what the brand says and who it speaks to. And now, the last tool on the list is Power BI Copilot. Power BI is Microsoft's data tool. Finance and operations team use it to track the numbers. With Copilot, you just ask, you type, why did the sales drop in the West last quarter? And it builds a chart and writes the explanation. There are no formulas to write and no waiting on the data team. At Kuwait Finance House, Power BI Copilot helped a credit review from days to under an hour. Turning a dashboard into a clear recommendation is the hard part, and it's exactly what you learn in the MBA. The AI shows what changed and you explain why it happened and what to do next. That's 7 tools, and every one of them is built into the MBA at JAIN Online as a part of the curriculum. So you graduate with both the business knowledge and the AI skills. All the 7 tools are on the program page with the full course list. Explore the MBA from JAIN Online. Link is in the description.